It's Carrie and Sean from Owning Toronto.
And we're in a beautiful semi-detached in Bloordale Village.
So here we are. We're inside the living room on the main floor of this house. It is beautiful.
I was going to say stunning, but
Stunning.
okay, go with
beautiful. Sure, pick your adjective, whatever.
So this is sort of an open concept. You've got your living and your dining area here. Big, beautiful window in the front of the house that brings in tons of light. This place is so bright. Got another window on the side just to bring in a little bit of extra light, and then you've also got the double sliding doors that bring in more light from the rear.
And this is a large space. The living room, dining room combo, and it's beautifully set up for entertaining people in your living room, and then you just head over here for dinner.
Or cards. You can play cards there.
Sure you could, yeah.
There's a little wardrobe right here for your coats. A little bit different than putting it in the front entrance, but I like it. It gives more space.
True.
Powder room on the main floor. Come on.
Always handy to have a powder room right there. You don't have to run upstairs.
The kitchen.
Isn't it nice?
I love it. I love the fact that you've got a butcher block. You don't need to bring out a butcher block. You just cut right on it.
That's right.
Maybe not, but that's probably what I would do.
And it's well taken care of. That is a beautiful gas stove there, a Capital brand.
Capital. Super expensive. That's all I know about it. It does everything but cook for you.
That's the extent of our stove knowledge. Yes. It's very nice. I would love to cook our Hello Fresh meals on it, wouldn't you?
I would too.
Yes.
You know what? I think it actually saves you money because it makes you want to stay home and cook.
True. There you go.
So if you're interested in getting a home that encourages saving money, try this place.
Yes.
And then behind you here.
Yes. The extra large, extra wide fridge. That is a KitchenAid, and it's lovely. It's nice to just have something that you don't have to squish stuff into. There is lots of room in there. And check out the cupboard space.
There's a few.
Like, what's that beside the fridge there?
I don't know. What is that?
Space? Oh my God. I love those.
I know.
I really do.
They're handy.
And the stainless steel countertop on the other side. We talked about the butcher's block over here, but stainless steel countertop. And then I love this corner sink. That's a nice deep sink.
It is.
It's really, really nice. The backsplash ties into the stainless steel countertop on that side. And then you even have the little lights. I wonder if we can get the, look at that, lights inside the cabinet. So cute. Yeah, very nice. Plus there's another little window off to the side. That just contributes to the light into here. So let's take a quick peek in the backyard.
Sure.
My lovely assistant. And you can see
out to the deck.
Nice deck. There is a 2-car garage in there, and this is a great space too. A little privacy fence, a great space to entertain friends with outside.
I think it's also important to note that there is a gas hookup over there.
Gas hookup for the barbecue.
Barbie.
My favorite. Because who wants to run to the store and get propane?
Oh, it's
right?
so uncivilized.
So Carrie, what? Up or down next?
Let's go down.
Let's go down and check out. So you see this door on the side.
Yes.
And the door that's open facing us, but that is a separate entrance for a bachelor apartment downstairs. And
it's a possible bachelor apartment. It's not retrofitted for renting, but you could use it however you like. It could be a nanny suite, an in-law suite.
Look at this space. It's a great big space. It's all finished. Tile floor over here, wood floor over there, and that's tile floor.
Wood.
That's laminate wood. Okay, and then a little kitchen space here. So a little sort of semi-kitchen. You've got your little stove top there, sink, some cupboard space underneath, fridge, microwave up top. These are all very nice things to have for a little apartment down here. Some windows on the side brings in some natural light. And in the back corner, we're not going to go in there because it's just storage, but that is the door to a cold storage area, which could easily be like almost a walk-in closet really in there. It's nice.
You can definitely insulate that and make it a walk-in closet for yourself.
A little more storage underneath the stairs there.
Or John Malkovich's.
Or where John Malkovich, where you enter his brain.
Yeah.
Right. Sure, you could go in there and do that.
Disappear.
You're not going to do that, but yes, I love the wood on the stairs.
I know, it's beautiful.
Nice. A bathroom, shower, washer dryer down here. There is another washer dryer upstairs. So this is all self-contained down
Yes.
here. Super nice. So let's go head up to the top floor. Again, another window on the landing here brings in more light into this area. And that is a theme throughout this house. It's a nice, bright, sunny day out and you get to experience that. So there's the other washer dryer that we were talking about. Nice to have that on your living area floor.
Nice.
We have bedroom number 1 here that we're looking at. A good size. There is
There is a little closet back
a
there.
closet in there to store your stuff with. And into this bathroom, which is really nice. I like how they did this. I like the vanity. I like the mirror. I like the tile, the subway tile. That's not subway tile.
It is. It's like
Is
a
it?
long subway
Longer
tile.
subway tile, okay. A window in the shower, which you can sort of see the light coming through there. And then I like the tile floors that they picked as well.
Yeah, both of the washrooms were renovated.
That's right. Heading down this lovely bright hallway and into bedroom number 2. Yes. So again, this bedroom is a little bit larger than the first one that we saw there. And another closet over there. That's your window on the side. It's a spacious bedroom. Wouldn't you say that's a queen size bed in there?
That's a queen size bed in there. You do have room for maybe a tall boy dresser if you needed. And there are 2 side tables in there right now. So
And ta-da!
primary. I almost said master.
No,
Primary.
It's not called bed anymore.
I know. I got it.
Primary bedroom.
Primary bedroom. Full on. This is a queen size bed as well. You could fit a king if you wanted.
Yep.
And then there's room for a chair right there. But obviously you could put You could obviously put in a nice dresser.
Yep.
There's a good sized closet.
Yeah.
Not much else to say. A big window
Yes.
facing the street, which is nice.
It is nice.
Yeah.
I really love this house. Buying or selling, owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.